Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Jen, the Regional Sales Manager for Bicheng PCB. Today, we will be discussing the TC600 Microwave PCB, which is a type of enhanced thermal conductivity printed circuit board. Rogers TC600 laminate is woven fiberglass reinforced ceramic filled PTFE-based composites, which is designed to provide enhanced heat transfer through best-in-class thermal conductivity. While reducing dielectric loss and insertion loss, the increased thermal conductivity provides several benefits, including high power handling, improved device reliability, and reduced hot spots. Let's take a closer to learn the properties of TC600 material, which include its electrical, thermal, mechanical, and physical properties. Firstly, the dielectric constant of TC600 is 6.15 at 1.8 MHz when testing using the resonant cavity measure. Additionally, when testing using IPCTN650 at 10 GHz, the dielectric constant is also 6.15 as well. The dissipation factor is 0.0017 at 1.8 GHz and 0.002 at 10 GHz when testing using IPCTN650. The absolute value of temperature coefficient of dielectric constant is 17.5 parts per million per degree C, which indicates that the dielectric constant of TC600 remains stable over a wide range of temperatures. In terms of electrical properties, TC600 has good volume resistivity and surface resistivity with an electrical strength of 815 volts per mil or 13.4 kilowatts per millimeter. The dielectric breakdown is 16.2 kilowatts, and the arc resistance is greater than 214 seconds. When it comes to thermal properties, there are three parameters to consider: TD, time to delamination, and CTE. The decomposition temperature of TC600 is greater than 512 degrees Celsius, and the T260, T288, and T300 values are all greater than 60 minutes. The TC600 laminate also has a low Z-direction CTE, which provides unsurpassed printing through-hole reliability. The mechanical properties of TC600 are reflected in a pure strength of 10 pounds per inch, a Young's modulus of 218 kilopascals per square inch, a flat through strength of 9.6 kilopascals per square inch, and a tensile strength of 5 kilopascals per square inch. In terms of physical properties, TC600 has extremely low water absorption of 0.02%, with a density of 2.9 grams per cubic centimeter and a high thermal conductivity of 1.1 watts per meter per Kelvin in Z direction. The specific heat capacity is 0.94 joule per gram per Kelvin, and it has a 19.0 flammability rating. The outgassing property of total mass loss is as low as 0.02%. We offer various layer counts, including single-siding, double-siding, multi-layer, and hybrid PCBs. The dielectric thickness options include 10 μm, 20 μm, 30 μm, and 16 μm, allowing for flexibility in designing PCBs for different purposes. Our PCBs are available with copper width of 1 ounce and 2 ounces, which can be chosen based on specific design requirements. The maximum size for our PCBs is 400 mm by 500 mm, which can accommodate a wide range of applications. We offer a variety of solid mask colors including green, black, blue, yellow, red, and more. Additionally, our surface finish options include immersion gold, hot air soldering level, immersion silver, immersion tin, bare carbon, OSP, pure gold plating, and others, providing a range of choices for the final finish of the PCB. Displayed on the screen is 13mm TC600 Microwave PCB circuit board, featuring a blue solder mask and immersion silver on pans. TC600 PCBs are ideally suited for a variety of applications, including power amplifiers, filters and couplers, microwave combiners and power dividers, footprint antennas, digital audio broadcasting antennas, and the GPS and the handheld RFID readers antennas, among others. When it comes to high-power RF signal applications, TC600 PCB circuit boards are designed to deliver improved thermal management. TC600 boards are characterized by a unique combination of features that include high thermal conductivity, low loss tension, low coefficient of thermal expansion, and world-class temperature phase stability. As a result, TC600 boards enable enhanced performance and reliability in power applications. In addition to power amplifiers and other high-power designs, TC600 circuit boards are an excellent option for passive components, such as couplers and filters that require critical high-power capabilities and are sensitive to dielectric constant changes with temperature. Thank you for watching today's episode. We hope this information was helpful, and we look forward to seeing you again next time.